Familiarize yourself with a 2011 Toyota Prius. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.